Well, I need to do a video just for problem 14 for several reasons, but the main reason is I see there's a problem with one of the answer choices. We need to change this 5 to a 3. Please do that on your review. So I'm going to change that to 3 rectangles. And then let's look at this problem where we want to know that it says the model below represents the equation 3x equals 15. That's correct. 3x's equal 15 squares. What's the first step in finding the value of x? Well, it's a pretty simple equation. We would undo this multiplication with division. Divide both sides by 3. And we would get x equals 15 divided by 3, which is 5. On the model, it looks like this. We're dividing the 3 x's into 3 groups with 1 x in each group. We're dividing the right side into 3 groups with 5 squares in each group. What we've done is we divided the 15 squares among the 3 rectangles, which is answer choice B if we look at it correctly, if we have the right number there. Divide the 15 squares equally among the 3 rectangles. You'll have 5 squares per rectangle. X equals 5. The first answer choice, subtract 15 squares from the right side, that's not correct. We'd be working on the left side where the x is, and there's no addition operation there, so we don't need to undo it with subtraction. Answer choice C says subtract 2 rectangles from the left side of the model. Well, if we took 2 rectangles from the left side of the model, took away 2 rectangles, we would be left with 1x, but there are no rectangles on the right side of the model to take away, so that wouldn't help us. So it's not answer choice C. Now, on a problem like this, answer choice D is going to look good to a lot of people because we are dividing by 3, but answer choice C says to divide the 3 rectangles equally among the 15 squares. Oof. We got lots of problems with this one. Well, I'm going to make sure it's correct on the test, but we have some problems with these answer choices on the review, unfortunately. Anyway, if we divided the 3 rectangles equally among the 15 squares, we end up with 1/5 of a rectangle per square, and that's not what we're looking for. We're trying to find out what the rectangle equals, what x equals. So we divide the squares among the 3 rectangles, and we would get 5 squares per rectangle, or x equals 5. So answer choice B is the correct answer. I'll pick up the review with the last problem, problem 15, on the next video.